Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMath. ADMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we finished exercise 9.5 from chapter number 9, trigonometry. We did each and every question, each and every part of exercise 9.5. So I suggest all those students who are watching my lecture first time, kindly first go to my playlist, clear your concept, watch my previous videos of this chapter, then you can start successfully exercise 9.6. The topic of exercise 9.6, as you can see on the screen, trigonometric equations. What are trigonometric equations? And equations which involve trigonometric functions like sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. So these are trigonometric equations. How to solve trigonometric equation? What is the meaning to solve the trigonometric equations? The meaning to solve the trigonometric equations is to find the values of angles. So without wasting my time for the given examples, but these examples are very important for you people, but I will not spend much time for these examples. I am going to start exercise 9.6 question number 1. What is question number 1? Solve each of these equations for 0 to 360 degrees. Student, for solving trigonometric equations, a very important point is to remember the concept of quadrant in trigonometry. In exercise 9.1 and 9.2, we learned a lot about quadrant. There are 4 quadrant in trigonometry. In first quadrant, all trigonometric functions all are positive. All are positive. In second quadrant, only sine is positive. In third quadrant, only tan is positive. In fourth quadrant, only cos is positive and all are remainings are negative. So if you have clear concept of quadrant in trigonometry, so after clearing the concept of quadrant, this exercise is very easy for you. For example, I am taking part A. Sin x is equals to 0.3. What I told you, the meaning of solve, to find the value of the angle. What is angle in this question? Angle is x, so we have to find the value of x. Very easy. Just shift this sign on other side. This is sine inverse. With the help of calculator, and your calculator must be in degree mode, find the value of sine inverse 0.3. The answer is 17.5 degree. But this is not our complete answer. Because our domain, you can see on the screen, from 0 to 360 degree, and the value of sine x given 0.3, this value is positive. So in how many quadrant the value of sine is positive? There are two quadrant. You can see on right hand side on the screen. First quadrant, all values, all trigonometric functions are positive. So, and the value of first quadrant is from 0 to 90 degree. So our value, which we have find with the help of calculator, 17.5 degree. So this value lies in first quadrant. But because sine is positive in second quadrant as well, so we have to find the value of sine in second quadrant as well. So we have to find this value. So this value should be found by subtracting 17.5 minus 180. Why? Because the value of second quadrant is 180. Therefore 17.5 degrees and 180 minus 17.5 is 162.5. This is our final answer. 17.5 degrees and 162.5 degrees. Now if you think in your mind that why we don't find the value in third quadrant and in fourth quadrant. In third quadrant the value is negative. The value of sine is negative. In fourth quadrant sine is negative as well. So only two quadrants, first and second, where the value of sine is positive. Now still if you have doubt that my angles, my answer 17.5 degrees and 162.5 degrees are considered to be wrong or right, very easy. You just find, because this is the value of x, find sine 17.5 degrees from your calculator. This is checking. And find sine 162.5 degrees from your calculator. You will get 0.3, which is the value of sine x. So if you find 0.3 from sine 17.5 and 162.5, it means your both answers are correct. So finally the values of x is 17.5 and 162.5 degrees. So hope you understand completely part A. Let's start part B. What is part B? Cos x is equals to 0.2. So first we have to find cos inverse 0.2 from our scientific calculator. Kindly wait. So the first value is, with the help of calculator, 78.5. But in how many quadrants where the value of cos is positive? Because 0.2 is positive. So there are two quadrants where cos is positive, first and fourth. So the value of first quadrant is from 0 to 90 degrees. Our answer is 78.5. This is acceptable. And the value of fourth quadrant is greater than 270 and less than 360. So we should subtract this answer 360 degrees from 360 degrees. So our final answer is 78.5, and 360 is minus 78.5. $281.5. Again, if you have doubt that these two answers are right or wrong, just find with the help of calculator cos 78.5. You will get 0.2, and cos 281.5 you will get 0.2. So these two are your answer. Why we didn't find the value of cos in second and in third quadrant? In second and in third quadrant, the value of cos is negative, and in question the value of cos given is positive, that is positive 0.2. So hope you understand this part. Come to part C. What is part C? 10x is equals to 2. First we have to find x is equals to tan inverse 2 from calculator. The answer is 63.4. But tan is also positive. Tan x is equals to 2. This is positive, and tan is also positive in third quadrant as well. So first quadrant value is 63.4, and how to find the value in third quadrant? Just add 180 plus 63.4. 180 plus 63.4. Our answer is 243.4. This is our final answer. So hope you understand that the value of tan given is positive, and tan is positive in first and in third quadrant. So you should have good command on quadrants of trigonometry. Part D. Sin x is equals to minus 0.6. This time the value is given is negative, and sin is negative in third and fourth quadrant. So third quadrant means the value should be greater than 180, less than 270, and fourth quadrant means the value should be less than 360, greater than 270. Okay, so first find the value of x by sin inverse minus 0.6. The value is minus 36.9. Minus 36.9. This value is not acceptable because this value is negative. Point number 1, this value is negative, and our domain in question should be, look at this, only positive angles are required. So this value is unacceptable. Point number 1. And second, because sin is negative in third and fourth quadrant, therefore the value should be greater than 180 and greater than 270. So we will take this value as a basic angle. Basic angle means an acute angle, an acute positive angle. Acute means less than 90 and positive angles. Now this value 36.9 can be used in third quadrant, 180 plus 36.9, and second is 360 minus 36.9. First value is 216.9 and second value is 323.1. This is our final answer. So whenever you find the value of x negative, so convert it into positive and then find all the values. Okay, but if the value is greater than 90 degrees and negative, then we should subtract first from 180. How? I will show you in the part where this situation arises. So this is our final answer, 216.9 and 323.1. Come to part E. Part E is 10x is equals to minus 1.4. So 10 is negative. 10 is negative in which quadrant? Second and fourth. So one value should be less than 180, greater than 90, and one value should be greater than 270 and less than 360. So first find the value with the help of calculator. 10 inverse minus 1.4. The answer is minus 54.5. But this is not acceptable because domain is given, only positive domain is given. So we will convert this as a positive value. Then now we have to find the value in second and fourth quadrant. So second quadrant means this value. This value can be found from 180 minus 54.5, and fourth quadrant means this value. So this value should be found from 360 minus 54.5. So 180 minus 54.5 is 125.5. And 360 minus 54.5 is 305.5. 305.5. This is our final answer. So hope you understand part E. Come to part F. Part F is sin x is equals to minus 0.8. Again sign is negative, and sign is negative in third and in fourth quadrant. In third quadrant the value is greater than 180, and in fourth quadrant the value is less than 360. So first we will find x is equals to sin inverse minus 0.8. The value is minus 53.1. So we will consider this as a basic angle, that is 53.1. And now third quadrant means we have to add 180 plus 53.5, 53.1, sorry. So 180 plus 53.1, and for fourth quadrant the value should be 360 minus 53.1. So with the help of calculator, 180 plus 53.1 is 233.1, and 360 minus 53.1 is 306.9. This is final answer, 233.1 and 306.9. Come to part G. Four sin x minus 3 is equals to 0. 4 sin x is equals to 3. Sin x is equals to 3 upon 4. This is positive, and sine is positive in first and in second quadrant. So quadrant knowledge is very important for this question. So first value we will find x is equals to sine inverse 3 upon 4. (48.6). And obviously second value, because second quadrant value should be find from 1, subtract from 180, so 48.6. The answer is 133.4. Sorry, 131.4. This is our final answer. Now come to part H. Part H is 2 cos x plus 1 is equals to 0. Then 2 cos x is equals to minus 1. Cos x is equals to minus 1 upon 2. And this cos is negative. So cos is negative in second and third quadrant. So one value should be less than 180, greater than 90, and one value should be greater than 180, less than 270. So first we have to find the value of cos, the value of x, cos inverse minus 1 upon 2 with the help of calculator. The answer is 120 degree. And in second quadrant the value should be 90 degree, therefore this value will be acceptable, 120 degree. How to find the second value which is lies in third quadrant? Very easy. First we have to find the basic angle, 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree, because the value of basic angle is always less than 90 degree. So therefore the value in third quadrant is 180 plus 60. And 180 plus 60 is 240 degrees. Hence there are two answers. One is 120 degrees and other is 240 degrees. This is our final answer. And if you want to confirm these two answers, just find the values of cos 120 degrees. You will get minus 1 upon 2, guaranteed. And then find the values of a value of cos 240 degree. Again you will get minus 1 upon 2, guaranteed. So this is question number 1, all parts from part A to part H. What next? Almost the same question, but the difference is the angle. In question number 1, angles given in degrees, and in question number 2, angle given in radian. So you are very familiar about radian in degrees after doing so many questions from previous exercises 9.1 to 9.5. How many questions in this exercise? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't worry, no issue. I will solve each and every question, each and every part for you. So students, if you are satisfying my videos, and if you think that my videos are helping you, kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos as many as you can. Okay students, good luck for next lecture.